Telegram is one of the world's most popular messaging apps, but sometimes it just doesn't work right. My name is Abdullah. You're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're talking about what you can do if Telegram is not sending you a code. Alright, so when you fire up and install Telegram, you will be greeted with this screen that loads out all the Telegram features. So we're going to tap on Start Messaging, and this is the first permission that you'll be asked for. So let's go ahead and give it that. Then time to enter your phone number, starting with your country code. Once you've done that, Telegram automatically accesses your call logs and reads the code. So you never really receive a message here. As you can see, you can get a phone call like the one I just got, and that will log you right into Telegram. Now, if you're not getting any phone calls or any messages, what you can try is sometimes if you have Telegram logged into more than one device, your codes will go to the devices with your active Telegram account. So if you have Telegram logged into, let's say, your PC or another phone, you should go ahead and check that as well. Alternatively, another thing that you can try is to go ahead and install Telegram X. Now, this is an official app on the Play Store or the Android or on the Apple App Store. And it works the exact same way as Telegram itself. So what you can do is go ahead and install it, log into Telegram using Telegram X, and that should give you access back to your account. Once you've logged in, then you should be able to get back into your Telegram account without any issues. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology. Follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.